is your power supply making a lot of noise and you don't know how to fix it. So here I'm going to show you the best fan that you can use in order to replace the fan that when it's making a lot of noise, so that way you're not going to have the same issue ever again. So now I'm going to change the camera so that way you can see everything. So here, as you can see here, we have the power supply. I took it apart already because it's very easy. And it depends. Sometimes you have the one that are square, and this one is kind of a rectangular. And here we have the power, the fan. As you can see, this is a Sunon fan. This is the best brand that I was able to find. So I want to replace it with this, the one that I have, so that way you're not going to have the same issue. I am in US, so if you need tools, parts, or anything like that, I can send it to you worldwide. FedEx, DHL, or whatever you want to use. Otherwise, if you're here in US, I'll try to leave in the video description the link so that way you can buy the same thing. So here we're going to use this toolkit, as you can see here, and we're going to replace it. So as usual, like I said, if you need tools or anything like that, just let me know. So here we're going to grab it like that. It's very easy. So in a few seconds you should be able to remove it. So as you can see, you can remove it. Otherwise, if it's too hard, get one of these. So I was thinking, well, maybe it will work. If it doesn't work, great. We're going to use this. There we go. So now I'm going to remove this. There we go. This is the old one. So usually, because you know, there are sometimes you can remove the sticker that you have here, and you can put some oil, but you know, it's not going to last for a very long time. So here, this is a very good brand, Sunon. They are like $10. So usually the cheapest one, maybe $5, $3, but they're not going to last for a very long time. So this one is very good. At least I like this brand. So basically, you remove it, you put the same screw the same way it was before, we should be good. So in this case, you see the arrow that says over there. So that is the flow of the air. So if you can, you know, leave it the same way it was before, that would be great. So as you can see here, all right, as you can see here, okay, as you can see here, there you have the arrow that I was talking about. So make sure that it goes, you know, over there, and here you have the other arrow showing how the fan is going to spin. So basically, in this case, we're going to remove the heat out, or we can put the other heat. So in this case, you see the arrow that says that is going to spin over there, and the air is going to come that way. So basically, you have to put this like this on this side. You can clean this up if you want to. So it doesn't look that nasty. So we put the fan like that with the sticker going downwards. And if you see the old fan here, it doesn't have any instructions here. There is nothing, just all pure plastic. As you can see here, there is nothing. But that is how you can, you know, install it properly, so that way you're not going to have that issue. And as you can see here, the connector, the old connector from the old fan is the same one. But if you have some issue, what you can do is just cut it here and then add it here, and that's it. In this case, I don't have to do anything like that, and we should be good. Let's see if this time this is going to work. It doesn't have much power. You can use to screw it, but I think it's too much for this. For small things, for laptops, cell phones, the little screwdriver is good enough. Otherwise, we're going to use this. So there you go. That is all you have to do in order to replace it.